Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to show you some more of my 1 to 64 diecast cars made by several brands. But please, before I show you the cars, leave your like, your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I thank you for all comments and likes you've left so far. So let's move on, take a look at the cars. First car I'm going to show you is this 1984, I think. It's a Cadillac hearse. It's a Ghostbusters car. I'm not really crazy about the Ghostbusters movie, but I like the cars and I like Cadillacs. That's why I bought this car. I thought it was very interesting. It's not the richest one in details. That's usual with the Hot Wheels, except by the 100%, which are very well made. But still a well made car. It's very interesting, very nice to have in a collection. This car is about, let's say, 3.5 inches long. It's a big car. It's a 1 to 64. The second one is this 1965 Lincoln. It's from the movie Matrix. It's made by Greenlight. It features an opening hood, very nice trims, fins, and ornaments. The lines are very nice. This car is very well made, just like what happens to green lights. See if I get a hood open so I can take a closer look at the engine. There you go. So, it's a Lincoln engine. This die-cast top. It's not plastic, which is good. It's different from the Johnny Lightning, which is also a little bit smaller. Although Johnny Lightning makes the 1961 Lincoln that it's a little bit shorter than 1965. 1965 and 66 are a little bit longer and within the 60 series. I really like this car. Next one is a police car. Is a 1967 Impala police car. I don't know if they used Impalas for police cars. I thought it would be more likely to have a Chevy Biscayne, but Greenlight's got the cast, so it made an Impala. This hood is a little hard to get open, but you can take a slight look here and see the engine. That seems to be a 396. I'm not quite sure of it. It's a very nice front, very nice taillights and rear. I like those lines. And speaking of 67, we've got a couple of Ford Customs. There's a New Jersey State Police. It's a 1967 Ford Custom 500. It's a V8 Custom. Sometimes Customs are straight 6-cylinder, straight 6 engines. That's a very nice car. I like Ford Galaxies a lot, so just couldn't miss this one in my collection. The other Custom is from the Andy Griffit show. So it's this car from that show. It's basically a Ford Galaxy, but it's simpler. It's also very nice. It's very well made. I really like Greenlight cars. This is from the Terminator movie. It's said to be a 1977 Monaco. I actually think it's a 1978. I don't have any memories of 1977 being like this, but being like that green one I'm going to show you shortly. That one, by the way, is a 1974. Let's take a look at the engine. Be a 340, maybe. I don't know. It's a nice car. It's a little bit big for this more compact 1978 Monaco. Still very nice. I didn't buy this car because of the movie, but because of the car itself, since I like Dodge Monacos a lot. There's an International Durastar flatbed truck. There's also one to 64. It's a very nicely reproduced truck. It's by Greenlight as well. It's got the bed that's long enough to hold a car. As we can see, I had this Dodge Monaco in this bed, in this platform. I can put any other car there with no problem. Put the Lincoln here. That's a big car, so it can really take it along. Next one is a 1983 GMC Vendura. This is features in the A-Team series, this TV show. A-Team was a very nice TV show in the 80s. And this van is richly done. I like it a lot. I think it's much better than Hot Wheels. Even in the right scale, that one seems to be a little bit smaller. The wheels are fantastic. The van is fantastic. I like it. This is a 1976 Ford Mustang Cobra from the Charlie Daniels Angels. It's a show from the 70s. I didn't watch it very much because I was just a little kid, but my sister used to watch it. This seems to be a 302 engine. Many of these Mustangs featured 302s. The other ones were V6s or 4-cylinder Mustangs. It's from a time Mustang was kind of downsized for economy, so these Mustangs are not admired as much as the older Mustangs are. And the last one, got this hitch and tow 1974 Dodge Monaco. It's a very nice green metallic flake paint. Let's pop the hood open. Here we go. It's probably a 340 or 440. That was a very common engine at the time. So that's what I said. I think the 1977 Dodge Monaco was actually this body version, but with a different front, with the hidden headlights and slightly different tail lights. This is very nice. I like this car a lot. And this is a very nice trailer, but looks a little bit older. Looks much more like 50s. Features those gas cylinders, this crank here to just unhook it from the car. You can see the rivets and details stored. It doesn't open really, but really don't care about that because the trailer itself is very well made. You can see it's hollow inside. It's got no interior, but really it doesn't matter. It's a very nice trailer. Let's hook it to the Monaco. And I'm going to show two more trucks I've got here. A Dodge and a Ford COE trucks. These COE trucks. These are made by M2 Auto Trucks. There's a flatbed truck for small cargo. It's very nice. Seems to be a 1956. I'm not quite sure of it. And this Dodge truck. This must be around the same year. This is for stake truck. It's also very nice. I like M2s a lot. So that's going to be it for now. I do thank you for all comments and likes below, so please don't forget to leave your likes, your comments, and to subscribe my channel and click the bell for new videos. I'm going to show you some new videos and more cars within a short time. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.